For those who are new, we are going to analyze the pre-market action in the first hour of trading. Obviously, we often look at actionable stocks, and we will be looking at leaders today. It may not be too many actionable trading ideas today, but we're definitely going to discuss the core tenets of growth investing, and part of that is knowing when to back out and when to play a little bit of defense.
As a general rule of thumb, especially if you're new, if you don't enter any new trades until we're back above that 21-day, your odds are going to be on your
Right.
side. So right now you're playing defense until we can get up there, and it might take quite some time until we get up there. So you're just managing your position. I know I said I was adding some, but that's because I did a lot of selling last week, and so if I came into today, up to my eyeballs in stock, then I would be playing it differently. But I did my selling on Thursday and Friday to be in this position. If you hadn't, you just play defense and try not to buy anything until we're back above the 21-day. And if you want to be even more conservative, wait until our low is above our 21-day.
And I think it might be instructive at this point to kind of talk about what things we're looking for the rest of the day, and maybe for the rest of this week, what kind of strategies people should be employing here. For example, when Mike says you might be looking at the market getting back above that 21-day, and that's a 21 exponential moving average that we use there. That could be one of your signals that, okay, it's time for me to start my buying again. You could just wait for that. What kind of things would you be looking for? Well, as Chris mentioned earlier, you'd be looking for those big, relative strength line moves where the stock it did not come down as much as the market, and it held up well. Those are kind of your tells that this is something that is showing leadership.
At least for me, I'm not going to be trying to dive in and make some trades. I just want to kind of keep things stable here, apply my sell rules, and remain kind of calm and not getting kind of caught up in the gyrations of the market minute to minute.